it's Morgan here. Today we'll be doing the burping challenge. So I'll get her, Missy with us, and she will be doing the burping challenge. We are going to try to make her burp with this. This is a treat. She always has it by her side. This is going to be paw-fantastic. Ready, Missy? Let's get the camera on you. Oh, whoops. Missy, stop it. No. Missy. Stop it. Here, eat up. You got it on my tablet case. Missy! Hey, ready? Eat this part. Now, let's do this. Let all about. Come on. Hey, you. Just on. Come on. No. Face towards the camera, not at me. I don't want you to belt in my face. Come on. Missy, this is supposed to take really... Oh yeah, baby. The dog has a belt. Good job. Well, that was our video. Took a long time for her to do that. Missy, you're not in the camera. Thank you for watching.